Hello kids, let's read and write small words for our English vocabulary. So kids, welcome to my channel Nisha Kaushik 88. Please subscribe to my channel. And viewers, these worksheets are for UKG kids and LKG kids for their enhance their English vocabulary. Let's see the spellings. C-U-P cup. C-U-P cup. These are 3-letter words. So learn all these spellings after me and read loudly. Next is star. S-T-A-R. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. These are 4-letter. So next is table. T-A-B-L-E. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Drum. Drum. D-R-U-M. D-R-U-M. 4-letter words. Drum. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Umbrella. Next is soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. 4-letter word. Bag. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Tag. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Next word is ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. This is 4-letter word. Ship. Ship. Next word is hand. 3-letter word. Hand. H-E-N. H-E-N. So kids, all spellings are very important for your daily practice English vocabulary. Next is fish. F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. Read all these spellings after me loudly. Fish. Next is pan. P-E-N. Pan. P-E-N. Pan. 3-letter words है ये. Pan. P-E-N. Pan. Next is jar. J-A-R. J-A-R. Jar. Jar. 3-letter word. Jar. Let's see another spelling. H-U-T. Heart. H-U-T. Heart. H-U-T. Heart. 3-letter word. Heart. Let's see another spelling. Tree. Tree. T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree. Next is ball. Ball. B-A-L-L. B-A-L-L. Ball. The word is ball and 4-letter word. Ball. Next is pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. 3-letter word. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. 4-letter word. B-O-O-K, book. Read all spellings after me. Key, key, K-E-Y, K-E-Y, key, key. 3-letter word. Next is door, door, D-O-O-R, D-O-O-R, door. The word is door. We use 4-letter here. Next is crow, crow, C-R-O-W, C-R-O-W, crow. The word is crow, crow. Next is apple, apple, A-P-P-L-E, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Yummy and sweet apple. Next is bat, bat, B-A-T, bat. We use 3-letter here, B-A-T, bat, B-A-T, bat. So dear kids, read loud. Let's enhance your vocabulary words at your home with your lovely mom. So parents, these worksheets are very important for your kids and these spellings are very useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and visit करें मेरे channel पर और देखें more interesting videos for your kids, Hindi English rhymes and worksheet. Bye bye.